Fuck what you thought I'd do without you. I'm so much better like you never met.
Hey everyone, it's Henna here. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Henna. Yes, like the henna tattoo. I know we're all stuck at home, but I really just wanted to do some makeup, feel a little bit more positive at home since there's nothing else to do. So I thought, why not do a very fresh, pretty, spring and natural looking makeup. I used no false lashes, so yeah, it's a pretty simple look and it's just something for you to watch and do while we are sitting at home during this quarantine. So without further ado, before we get into this video, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Thehennaali because I am always on there, if not here on YouTube. But without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So starting off, we're going to take the Bobbi Brown primer mattifier. And I like to really just make sure to press this into the skin, making sure to fill in the pores, making the skin smooth. Now taking the Benefit Brow Styler in the shade 6, I'm just going to fill in my brows. They're a little crusty right now because I haven't been able to go get them groomed with the coronavirus going on. But yeah. Taking the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation in the shade 3.55, I'm going to go ahead and apply this on my face, where else can I put it, with the Tati Beauty Blendiful, and just make sure to tap the foundation on, and then if you have to, you can kind of blend the rest out, but I've noticed that tapping the foundation with the Blendiful really works well. Taking the Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Concealer in the shade 280, if I'm not mistaken. I like to apply this under my eyes like so, and then using the Tati Beauty Blendiful to blend it out. That's all I've been using lately to apply my foundation and concealer. And then if I don't use the Blendiful, I use the Eco Tools blender. Using the Galactic Luminous Face Powder, I just like to apply this to just set, you know, the base. And yeah. Taking the Dragon Heart Transformation Powder from Dragon Beauty, I'm going to use this to brighten under my eyes. I just love how flawless it looks. Now I'm going to go in with the ABH Times Carly Bible palette. And yeah, apply eyeshadow. I like to apply any shimmer metallic shadows with my fingers just because I feel like they apply the best with the warmth of your fingers. So that's why I did that there. I've been really doing this technique where I use eyeshadow to like apply a liner on my eyes instead of a liquid liner. It just looks really natural, very soft, which is why I opt out for it lately. Then I'm taking the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara to apply mascara, no falsies. Now moving on to the Matte Bronzer in Cabo by Galactic. Galactic has some really great products. So I really want to start showcasing those a lot more, but I really love their bronzer. It's very pretty and subtle. Taking their Cheeky Tint and Glow, I'm going to go in with La Beauté, I think that's the name of this one, and just apply that, just a very soft blush. Really pretty. Taking the Flare Accent Palette by Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics, I'm using the shade Iced as my highlighter on the high points of my cheek, and then I also put some on my Cupid's bow. Now I'm using KKW Beauty Classic Icon Liner to line my lips. She has really pretty lip products. If you watch my videos, you see that I use KKW Beauty a lot when it comes to lips. Taking one of my favorite lip glosses from Dominique Cosmetics in the shade Sweet Tea. She has really pretty lip glosses that are super hydrating to the lips, and they just look really good. And I really love this lip combo, which is why I wanted to, you know, show you guys this one. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. and just took some little tips and tricks here and there. If not, it's just I wanted to make a video for you guys to just watch while we're stuck in our homes, a lot of us, which is what I've been doing, is watching YouTube videos, and I really enjoy watching it. So yeah, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I would love it if you guys would join my family here on YouTube that I'm creating. And I post new videos here every week, and sometimes I post 4 videos in a week, which is what happened this last week. But yeah, so I hope I see you guys in the next video. Stay safe and stay positive. All right, bye guys.